Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon right here. And to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message saying power saving mode on. The icon will change the color to blue, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you enable the mode, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. You will see the power saving off message, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.